Yo, what is up? So, we're gonna continue working on our character creator stuff. I got the level kind of started. Main menu level. Cool. Loud as hell. Hydrate! Lord Kitty, what up, Lord Kitty? What you got going? I shall. What up? What up, what up? We're getting us some work done. Getting the menu set up. At least get it functioning. Might not be very pretty right now, but... Whoops. Hi, man, what up? What you got going on? What up, what up? Not much, how about you? How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. I feel a little sick today. I woke up like covered in sweat and I think I might be starting to get sick, but we'll see. We shall see. I don't know why the width override ain't working. Still. Why you no work? Oh, stay hydrated, man, for sure, for sure. Drink that water. True, true. But what you got going on? You got all your bugs fixed? Maybe we want... Get rid of that vertical box. Oh, you know what? Let me go back, actually. Is it... I bet it's the padding. Let's get rid of the padding.
Fuck yeah!
I finally got the bugs fixed, finally? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Finally. Hell yeah. Okay, so we don't need to deal with width override. Let's just do this. Yeah, it was a very simple fix too. Oh god, that's normally how it goes. What was the fix? Casey, what's up? What you got going on, Casey? What up, what up? Let's wrap with a border.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yo, Astro. What up, Astro? What you got going on? What up, what up? Let's mix the normal and the pressed the same. There we go. Well, I sent something to Noel, but forgot to set it. So that was causing the problem? Oh no! Yeah, you had that same thing. Didn't you do the same thing on one of your other bugs? You forgot to do the same thing? Whoops! Just watching some guy play with his dolls? Who's playing with what? Who's playing with some dolls? What guy? What dolls? Yeah! Whoops! Whoops! You are? I'm playing with dolls. What dolls? What you talking about? What you talking about? Make that a little bigger. Yes? Am I? Work, work, work. I'll have to address the title font a bit later, considering modeling the font out and making an image or just a 3D model of it for the title screen. Yeah, I suck at making UI look pretty. Like, I'm good at UI functionality, but like I'm not good at like graphic design or anything like that, so it's really hard for me to make UI look pretty. I think I'm just gonna have to find someone to help me make my UI look pretty, because I suck at that. I'd have a fighting chance if I had Photoshop, but like I've tried making some stuff in GIMP, but GIMP is just so shitty, man. It is so hard to get anything damn done in there. So I'm thinking when I get my taxes, I'm just gonna pay for Photoshop and try to make some UI stuff in there. The issues seem to have quite simple fixes, but I, for some reason, decide to overcomplicate and overthink it. Hey, sometimes it goes like that. Sometimes that's how it goes, just overthinking it, just like, oh, it's gotta be this, right? It's gotta be this. It's just not. Cool. All the editing stuff, aka dolls? I guess you can call that dolls. I guess so. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. So you're thinking about like 3D modeling out your title, Casey? I just went with the font. What the hell? What just happened? Did this song? Okay, I guess the song just had a very erratic change there. Sounded like something else started playing on top of it. Yes, it is? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I need to find... Let me look up the color palette thing I was using. Jump scare? Oh god. Vacon, what up, Vacon? What up, what up? I'm just gonna snag a screenshot of this color palette here. And I'm gonna bring that bad boy in. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna bring this in. Sure, we can bring it right here. Boop. Use that to get my colors. I think I'm gonna ZBrush it, then Substance Painter the textures. I can then decide whether I want to take a highly something, highly... I can't read this word for shit. Hold on. Let me try to get a screen that lets me read it. A high res. Or leave it as a 3D asset. Hell yeah. Yeah, that could be dope. That could be dope. I've never, like, 3D modeled out text. That could be a cool way of doing it. Could be dope. Vacon, what's up, Vacon? So I'm now moving on to adding a multi-threading and a batch and instance rendering to my rendering pipeline, because right now FPS drops when I add 10 or more models to the scene. Damn, just 10? Damn. Hell yeah. Well, hopefully that goes good. Hopefully smooth sailing with no bugs. Being spooky, you know how it is. Just adding in the jump scares. Trying to scare sons of bitches. Alright, let's open this. Actually, let's... I mean, we could probably make the border just a darker version of this. Right. We also change the outline on the normal, no outline. You go away. Right. It's still there. Why is it still there? Make it 0. Maybe we make the button... It is rounded box. Maybe we change the corners to 20. Like that, and the same with the border. Can we do that? Brush. Can we not make the border rounded? We gotta be able to do that, right? Draw as rounded box. There we go. And does it not give me the... Okay, there we go. 20, 20, 20, and 20, and then on the button, just give it 5 padding all around, maybe. Yeah, people gotta wake up. It's dev time. Damn right, it's game dev time. But what up? What you got going on, Vacon? What you up to today? Did you read my chat above? I can't remember. The thing about your FPS drop? Yeah, you did? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I read that one. Ben! How's it going here? What's up? What you got going on? We out here working on our main menu UI, starting it up. What you got going on? Just 10 models it takes to drop the FPS from like 200 FPS to 60? Damn! That's a huge drop. Massive ass drop. Yeah, something's not very efficient there. Alright, let's do that. Just playing games? Nice. What you playing? What games you playing? Change the width. Oh god. How do I make that outline just go the hell away? Just go away, outline. I don't want you there. Doesn't look too bad, I guess, but yeah. Thinking about using metahumans again? I don't know. Yeah, so I actually thought of a way of making metahumans more efficient. I'm debating on doing it or not. Probably not, just because it would be so damn time consuming. But I was thinking about taking my metahumans into Blender and just deleting all of the bones out of the face that are unnecessary. Because that's what takes up a large chunk of their frames per second. Or a large chunk of their performance. But then I would have to do that to every single metahuman I bring into the project. I mean, it could be worth it. I did some testing yesterday to figure out how much performance the metahuman head has taken up, and it's like a solid 10 frames per second. Like, I took the head off my metahuman, and compared my frames to with the head on and with the head off, and it's like a solid 10 frames per second drop because of the metahuman head. Digital, yo, efficiency is overrated. Give your players lag spikes for added tension. Hell yeah. Damn right. Who needs performance? Who needs it? Enshrouded? Oh, I want to play Enshrouded so bad. I want to play it so bad. I would love to hear it. Just get rid of the face and a BP. It will get rid of them, I believe. It'll get rid of the bones? I don't think it'll get rid of the bones, will it? Where are the maps? I don't think that'll get rid of the bones. I'll be right back. Gotcha. Person map. I'll see you another time and have a wonderful day. Hey, I appreciate you stopping in, Hestro, and you have a good one as well. So let's go into the blueprint here. I don't think that'll just get rid of the bones, but I believe it does if you go into the character and where the head and MVP is, clear it and play it, and do show collision. Face and MVP. None. Let's do a test real quick. Let's show frames per second right now. If I hop in, it's like right around 65, 70-ish in that range. And if I set the NMBP to none. Ah, it breaks the neck though. It disconnects it. We need the NMBP. But let's check the performance anyways. Do you show bones? How do you show bones? How the hell you do that? Yeah, you need to use the master pose. It's using the master pose. We have it in the construction script. Right? Enable master pose? Can we just do that to the head? Let's see. And just attach the head to that? Face? No, that doesn't work. Show bones, not collision. Oh. Spent some time looking over Metahuman. I personally don't like it. They look good in screenshots, but when animating, they are uncanny valley. It's not even funny. Yeah, well, as far as animating them, I just do my animations in Blender. I would rather do that. But you can animate them in the project, but like animating like characters in Unreal Engine is, I mean, it's okay for small things, I guess, but like you just have way more control in like in Blender as far as like being able to smooth things out and stuff. But yeah, Metahumans definitely has some major drawbacks to it. They look good, but like, I mean, what's the alternative? Just using Makehuman or paying for character creator, or just making them yourself? To show bones, yeah, you need to use master pose. It's a console thing while playing. Work this out for you later and let you know. I'm not 100%. What's the console command? Show bones. Show flag.bones? Is it that? Master pose doesn't work. That doesn't work. Oh, wait a minute. Let me plug that in. Maybe that's the issue. Yeah, master pose doesn't work on the head. And we're getting about the same frames per second. Yeah, I don't think it just gets rid of the bones. I think the bones are always there. I think you have to go in and manually change that. Face and MVP. I'm working it out, let you know I've only done this once. Hell yeah, I got you. Yeah, but the bones in the face, I was like playing with the bones in the face yesterday, and there are so many bones in the face that are just completely unnecessary. Like, they got bones to control like the side of the head over here. Like, why do I ever need to animate the side of the head over here? Like, why put a bone there? They're just bones on like pretty much every inch of the face. So unnecessary. All over the neck, all over the cheeks, all over the head. And I'm sure if you got rid of like at least half of them, you could probably save a lot of performance. We could do the Makehuman route, but that would be, it wouldn't look as pretty. It could be okay. Probably be cheaper. Isaac, hold on 1 second. If you want, I could drop a CC4 MF FBX in the Discord later. Don't know if morphs will carry over. Been a little weird with that process. Still figuring it out. If you want to see the difference, have you compared the performance on them? Have you seen like a solid difference performance difference in character creator and metahumans? What up? What you got going on? I had ads, so if you're talking to me, sorry. Oh, damn, the friggin' ads. Forget what I said. I forget what I said. I think I was just talking about the morph thing didn't work. Or the master pose didn't work. And I was saying that, yeah, there's just a shit ton of unnecessary bones in the metahuman's face. If you got rid of like half of them, I'm sure it would be like way more performant. Did a bunch of testing to make my trees a little more efficient though. I'm not using nanite on trees because that was too expensive. So we're just using LODs on trees. I tried out another method that someone was telling me about using nanite and regular LODs. I tested that to see the frame difference, and I found that just doing it this way, just using regular LODs on the trees, gave me the most performance. We can make the mesh more low poly too, but the bones are the big problem. Yeah, I don't the low poly thing. Yeah, the bones are more the issue than like the polys. I mean, there are definitely a shit ton of polys that add to it too, but like, yeah, the bones are definitely probably taking more performance than the polys. We need better options. Back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hydrate? We shall. I've just had shit luck with Metahuman in general, but I can make high, medium, and low textures. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty good with Metahumans. It's just that Metahumans are so damn expensive. That's like my biggest issue with it. And my other biggest issue is the damn neck seam problem. They have this neck seam issue that's really annoying. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, this thing. Thank you, man. No problem. No problem. I mean, they look good, and I know how to do a lot of things with them. They just need to be cheaper. They need to get rid of a lot of the bones in the head. Low texture is still really nice, but the mesh slicing is different. The neck sternum area isn't nearly as bad, nearly as big. Talking about in the character creator. Yeah, so the LODs, try math them out. So body and head have the same LOD. Yeah, I mean, on LOD sync, I just dropped my stuff down to LOD 4. That's like, I find that to be about where it doesn't look like complete doo-doo. Because if you go down to LOD 5, it just looks like horrible. It looks really bad. Did the music stop? It did. You make that clothing? It's cool. Good job, man. Hell yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, we made the we made the underwear. We did that. I did that yesterday, yeah. Why did the playlist stop? YouTube playlists are dog shit sometimes. It just stops sometimes. Cool. Okay. So, guess we'll do this for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to debate on it. I think I'll probably just stick with Metahuman and deal with it. Just because all the other options are either expensive or just not pretty. Yeah, that cut where the head joins the torso is way different. I'll drop an FBX when I get a chance, so you can check it out. Hell yeah, yeah, I'll take a look at it. Yeah, the neck seam is real annoying. on the metahumans. It's super noticeable. It's like damn near impossible to make go away. I've tested all kinds of stuff to make that shit not noticeable, but it's just there. It's just there. Let's see if I can figure out how to make this damn outline go away. Why? Why is there just always a permanent outline there? Oh, there we go. That made it go away. Yeah, we'll do that. I've seen the same issue with any Metahuman project. You could always see that line. Yeah, it's like, it's straight up impossible to make go away. Like, maybe you could make it go away if you, like, merge the body and the head in Blender. But you would have to merge the bones and stuff, too, and then you would have to rework the Metahuman completely. Like, maybe it would go away then, but then you might get other issues from doing that. You would definitely have to rebuild the control rig and stuff for it. See how that's looking. Actually, we need to go into our right here. And it's on event construct. Create widget. Menu selection widget. Remote to variable. I'm gonna call this menu selection ref. And then add to viewport. And then we're going to set visibility to collapsed. Then when we press this, we just want to grab this, set visibility to visible, and we're gonna set our, let me see, both of these to hidden. Yeah. Game logo, and this one Set visibility to hidden. And set that one to hidden. See if that works. It does, but this guy's way up here. Is that where that should be? Let me look. Oh, oh, wait. Okay, we might not need to do it that way. Let me go back. Let me... delete that. We don't need to do this right here. We just delete that. We just need to... go back to designer. We're gonna add our menu. Main menu selection W. Right here. And anchor it to the center. Cool. Size the content. And let's position it a little down like that. And then we can delete that reference and bring this guy in. There we go. Oh, we need to go to visibility, set collapsed, right? Take a look at that. It didn't change it. Why you no change? Out. That should change. But it's not. Why not? There. Let's see. Toblis? Hey, I'm new to Unreal Engine and new to your stream. You want me to ask you a question? Do you minute me ask a question? Do you mind me asking a question? Sure. Ask away. Ask away. I guess we'll on event construct set it to hidden. But welcome in. What up? What up? What if we do this? Eddie, Miami. Good work. Wow. Hey, I appreciate it. What up? What you got going on? See if that works. It doesn't. Why the hell is it not changing? The visibility of that. Because it should. Thanks, no problem, no problem. For some reason that doesn't work. What if we do this? Not hit testable. I don't think that's what we want to do. But maybe. Self and all children. Oh, wait. I think I figured it out. It's because right here, we're setting the entire thing to be hidden. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. Yeah. Eddie, are you a game dev? You do some dev stuff? Okay, so let's change this back. And then right here, instead of setting the entire thing hidden, let's move this guy back. You're welcome. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I think we figured out our dumbass mistake here. That was confusing as hell for a second. So let's come back. Set this guy hidden. Yeah, there we go. Popular, I think there's a set visible node. Hold on. Without target? Yeah. I was setting the whole damn thing hidden. I realized now. But what up? Pipe layer? Yeah, I was making an idiotic mistake there, setting the entire menu hidden before I was changing the visibility of this. Whoops! I just followed a kind of long tutorial for environment and basics of UE5, about 5 hours. Now finished. I have really bad performance in the level, like 15 to 20 frames per second in a medium dense forest and 50 frames per second in open areas. Is this normal for following tutorials on YouTube? Because I can't just making games with that kind of performance. So I'm kind of scared of which tutorials to follow. Yeah, if they didn't go over how to not lose a bunch of performance, then yeah, I mean, you would just have to optimize it. They probably just went over making levels and stuff and didn't really talk about the optimization side of things, but yeah, it depends on how they set it up. But especially if you're doing forests are really hard to not just lose a shit ton of frames. So like in here with all these trees that I have, I'm not using nanite on them. I did a bunch of testing to figure out what's giving me the best performance, and I find that with nanite, trees use way too much performance because of their shadows. So when you use nanite, the shadows are always there, and the trees won't, well, depending on how you set up your trees, but with my system, the trees will load out, but the shadows are always there, and shadows are really expensive. So I decided to not go with nanite on trees and just use LODs. So that way, and the lower LODs back there, the shadows turn off when you're far away from them, and then you only see the shadows on the closer ones. And also on the materials for the trees, we set up a something else that's also really expensive is this thing. The wind, tree wind and grass wind is really expensive. So in our material, we set up a, as you can see right here, the wind just straight up turns off. But when you're close, it'll turn on. So in our material for this, let me find it. Where is it? Might not be this one. Which one is it? It's gotta be this one, right? It's the one I had open. Oh, we haven't added it to this? I swear we added it to this. Hold on. We got it somewhere. Oh, right here. Right here. We have this little thing going on where we turn off the wind on all our foliage whenever you get far enough from it, so it'll turn off the world position offset that's controlling the wind when you get far enough away from it, and that just saves performance too. Hello? What up? What up, Pipe Player? Pipe Player? What up, what up? What up? Yes, it's normal. Not all tutorials follow most optimized path or best practices. Yeah, definitely listen to Casey. Casey knows his shit. Yeah. A lot of, like this material, this little setup we got going on, Casey showed me how to do this setup. So, yeah, definitely listen to what he has to say. Jesse, hey! How are you? How's it going? It's going good! I'm doing pretty good. What you got going on? What up, what up? When it comes to trees, 1, shadows are the most resource heavy, and 2, overdraw is a FPS killer. You want a little overdraw as possible. If you're using an nanite, even more so. Yeah, like I just decided to not use nanite. I tested out a system using nanite and then just duplicating a layer of this and using only the shadows from the non-nanite version. So we tried a system where our initial layer of trees is using nanite, then we basically duplicated that layer and had another layer and turned off the we turned off the shadows on the nanite layer and used the shadows from the non-nanite layer and just turned the LOD really low, and it helped with performance. But I found just straight up not using nanite on trees gave me even more performance, because we can turn off our shadows by distance. And like Casey was just saying, shadows are a massive killer on performance, especially with trees and stuff. So that's what we're doing here. The far trees, they change to the lower LODs and the shadows turn off. And then an extra layer of performance. Because what happens with the nano or the world position offset is you can go into your virtual shadow map cache page, and basically anything that's blue is not good. So as you can see in the far distances, all that's green, so it's good. But all the things that are close, that means that it's not saving the cache, which is taking up a lot of performance with virtual shadow maps. So yeah, and I could probably optimize this even more and just turn off shadows for trees that are closer. And this doesn't seem to quite update to my world position offset, because like the world position offset is what causes the caching to not happen on the closer trees, but my world position offset is definitely turning off at about this distance. So I'm not really sure why I'm still having the blue color out to here. I feel like that should be gone, but I guess I need to test it more to figure out why that is a thing. Yeah, and definitely turn off shadows on grass and shit like that. Grass, you don't need shadows on your grass. You don't need shadows on this kind of stuff. It's really expensive, unnecessary. Turn off all the shadows on your grass and stuff. Casey is awesome, hell yeah. I heard thunder sound when you started the game. Yeah, it's a little impact sound when we press the play button. Might change it later, we'll see. Been in here 10 minutes making my presence known. Yo, what up? What up, Salvatore? What you got going on? Thanks for the answer as well, Casey. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I made more progress on my game. Added the gameplay mode and dinosaur species select widget. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, progress is nice. Progress is nice, for sure. Always disable shadows? Yeah, shadows are expensive as hell. Shadows are crazy expensive. A NASA? I'm not sure what the symbols are. Not sure what the symbols are. It's really helpful, thank you. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Face red droopy eyes. Nacho, what's up, Nacho? Face red droopy eyes. Is that supposed to be an emote? I'm guessing. Do you enable nanite for other foliage? So on a lot of our grass, I do believe we have nanite on it because we're using a if you look on our grass setup right here, we're using this GT ground, which just covers our ground in grass, and in this there's an option to just turn off shadows. So right here where it says cast dynamic shadows, we just have that turned off. And if we go and look in our grass here, yeah, we're using nanite on this. Yeah, we're using nanite on our grass. We're not using nanite on our trees. Yeah. Look at my last link. Here, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let me turn this off for a second and we'll take a look at the link. Oh, is this your Metahuman setup? Hell yeah. So yeah, you got rid of all those bones? How'd you get rid of the bones? Was it the thing you were talking about? Oh, we got friggin' ads. We got friggin' ads. So shall I turn off the shadows? Off on foliage? If you have shadows on grass, it's really unnecessary. Like, you don't really need shadows on your grass, and you'll save a shit ton of performance. Yo, 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 what's up? What up, what up? Ben, yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, so that was the thing you were talking about? It seemed cool. Bro, what up? What up, what up? Okay. Alright, if you keep doing that, I'm about to ban you. Sorry, you're spamming. If you keep doing it, you're getting banned. Stop? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you keep doing it, you're getting banned. Okay, you're getting banned. Hold on. Stop? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Bam, they're banned. Please do, lol. Some people, man, yeah, some people are ridiculous. Yeah. They're gone. Okay, I'll let turn them off though. Thanks for letting me know. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's a way of doing it. Yeah, you'll have to send me some stuff on how to do that. Does it save performance doing what you did though? Like, did you see a performance increase? Internet plus anonymity equals hat. Yeah, so people could be absolutely ridiculous on the internet. Damn, that's 2 bans in 1 week. I had to ban someone the other day. Now we just had to ban somebody else. It's rare that I ban that often, but 2 in 1 week is very rare for me. Michael, what's up, Michael? Are you planning on using mocap phone setup for anims? Nah, I'm just making my animations in Blender. Some animations we're using from like some other packs that I have. Like I have a lot of combat animations from some packs. So if I don't need to make the animations, then I'll just use them from other places that I can get. But some animations we'll have to make custom, and I'll just make those in Blender. Yeah, we got a bunch of... Well, we haven't got all of them yet, but I'll just open the other pack where I'm grabbing the animations. Yeah, we got a bunch of combat animations in here. Bunch of different stuff. Yeah, I wish I could do mocap. It would be nice. And I've tried the phone setup, but it's kind of tough. Kind of tough to get that right. But yeah, some animations we'll have to make from scratch. Oops. Let's go here. I have this one problem. I tried to add this Albertosaur in the dinosaur list. However, it works everything. But in the animation blueprint, I blend the animations so when it attacks, it uses the lower part of the body to run and upper body to attack, but it's not working. So have you done that before? Yeah, you're talking about using it depends on how you're doing it. Is it a I don't know why I'm blanking on the word, but let me just pull this up. Where the hell are they at? I don't have any of those animations in here. I'm just brain farting on what it's called real quick. Let me just find it so I can think of the word. Animation montage. It depends on how you're doing it. So if you're using an animation montage, you need to go into the montage and set the slot to the proper slot. So if you're using an animation montage and you only want to use the upper part of the body, you need to assign that to an upper body slot. Like this. You can assign that to an upper body slot. And then in the animation blueprint, when you finish your anim graph, you assign that slot. So if you're doing a blend, you would want to assign this slot right here. And same thing, if you're doing a if you're just doing a animation not with a animontage, you can just use a blend by bone, or not blend bone by channel, blend by bone, blend poses, where's it at? Blend bone, layered blend per bone right here, and then you could set what you want it to blend with, right here, and then in here you would have to go and assign the bone where you want it to blend at. Depends on how you're doing it. There's two different ways of doing it. I was about to redeem save, but you already saved? Oh yeah, I'm on that save grind. I have a saving issue. I'm like non-stop saving. Let's go here. Yeah, layered blend per bone. Okay, so if you're doing layered blend per bone, yeah, you just assign what you want it to blend to. So if you're wanting it to blend to from your blend space, you would just plug your blend space in, and then, or probably as the base pose, and then assign your attack as the one you're blending with. And then you would come here and in the layer setup, assign where you want the blend to happen on the bones. Typically, like the spine is where you would want to blend it, somewhere on the spine. Yeah, I did that, but it's still trying to play. But it gets halfway through it. Like it doesn't play all the way. Oh god. Okay, let's call this continue game border. I only have empty maps, so I have no idea. I mean, you should still be able to tell the difference. Like if you just on your third person map, and if you test it just on your third person map, you should be able to tell the difference. That's where I tested my head performance yesterday. I just did it in the third person map. I played, checked my performance with the head, and then I took the head off my Metahuman and checked my frame rate after that, and saw that it was like a solid 10 frames per second difference. Yeah, it depends. Is it trying to play the animation more than once? Because that sounds like something that would happen if it's like maybe it's making it halfway through and then it plays the animation again. Maybe is that what's happening? Do you use AI at all in your workflow? I definitely do it. I do it in the writing and when I'm getting references for like things that I'm modeling. Like if I'm modeling characters, I've used some AI stuff. And as far as writing, I am not a story writer, so I definitely snag some ideas from ChatGPT. Like I'll just go into ChatGPT and just like kind of give a vague idea of what I'm wanting, and then I'll go through what ChatGPT gives me, and I'll just kind of take some ideas that it throws out and change some things about it, or you know, yeah, a little bit. But as far as like just throwing straight up AI stuff in the game, no, I'm not doing that. Cool. So let's duplicate, no. Do this. Let's duplicate this guy. Do you have any recommendations for tools? What kind of tools? Depends on what you're looking for. Like for art and stuff? If it's art, I definitely have a recommendation. So there's two different AI art ones that I use. Let me just pull it up real quick. There's one called Perchance. This guy, I believe. Hold on. AI image generator. This one right here, Perchance, is like an AI image generator, and there's another one. I don't remember the name of it, but it costs money. One that I used a lot at one point. Let me see if I can find it. Gencraft. Yeah, this one's really good, but it costs money. Yeah, this one right here. This one's really good, but it's kind of expensive. Oh, that person joined another stream I was watching a little later after you. Had to ban him. He got banned there too? What? Dude is just going around being a nuisance, huh? Damn. Some people are ridiculous. I don't know why. Oh, I guess I just missed it. Okay. Seemed like it. Some people are. I don't know. Some people got problems, man. Some people got problems. Some people got problems. Alright, so this will be... I guess we'll do this kind of close to what we did for the souls. Learn, build, play. Hi all, welcome in, welcome in. What you got going on? Are you a dev? You also a dev? Awesome, thank you, sir. Also, I apologize if I'm distracting you. So cool to see a game dev live streaming. Now I have a lot of questions. Oh yeah, no worries, no worries. I don't mind answering questions. If I didn't want to get distracted, I wouldn't stream. What you building? We're working on some main menu UI stuff right now, so we can start prepping for our character creator. So we're trying to just do this. Oh, our texture streaming's over. Well, we're just trying to get to the point where we can start our character creator. Yeah. There you go. I'm a solo dev working on some small projects. Oh, hell yeah. What projects are you working on? Yeah, I'm solo right now as well. It's pretty tough. Pretty tough. It'll be alright, though. It'll be alright. Load game border. Load game button. And load game text. Load game? What was that? That was something. Michael Kamen just subbed. I appreciate the sub. I appreciate the sub. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Nothing crazy, just projects to teach me things I need to learn. Which is everything. Nice. I get feels. How long have you been doing dev? Yeah, that's typically how it goes. Like, that's basically most of what I've done so far is just like build projects to learn more and more. That's what I've mostly done my entire game dev process. build a project, learn from it, build another project. Learn from that one. Let's see. Kind of want that lower. Probably get about time for an Unreal Engine restart. I don't know, for about 6 years, but a lot of breaks and procrastinating in between. Oh, I know how that is. Yeah, I've been going for about 5 years, and same thing, like long breaks. I've had a few breaks in there where I just didn't touch Unreal Engine for a long ass time. But nice. What engine do you use? Do you use Unreal Engine? Yeah, I know how that is. I've had some long ass breaks too. Unreal? Hell yeah. Good old Unreal Engine. Let's see. Maybe we want to scale up our vertical box. Maybe. A little bit. But hell yeah. So what kind of games are you interested in making? We're trying to build a RPG. One of the hardest types of things to make, but it'll be okay. It'll be alright. Yeah, it's about time for an Unreal Engine restart. Here in just a moment, I'm going to do a pee break, and then we'll restart Unreal, and then continue on this. Doing a cross between Uncharted and Hellblade? I don't think I've ever seen Hellblade. Maybe. But Uncharted? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That could be dope. How long have you been working on it? We're pretty early into this process. We've been doing this project for about a month now. About a month. Something like that. Not too long. So we're still fairly early. Ballot disabled. Ah, this is what I want. Yeah, we're gonna have to set this to be disabled. On and off for 6 years? Oh, damn, you've been working on the same project like the whole time? That's a long ass time. That's a long ass time. How far are you from getting it done? Let's duplicate that. This is gonna be our new game size box. Do you know how you'll handle music? I'll probably try to find somebody to do the music. That's how I would like to do it. Right now, I'm just grabbing music for like placeholders, but as far as like actually trying to release it, it would be nice to find somebody that would be down to do the music. But we'll see how it goes. Story and world design mostly. Like that's what you have left with it, or that's what you have done with it? Cool. That should be good. Now we need our, we got continue, we got load, we got new. Let's grab options, right? Oh, whoops. Looks like I made a whoopsie. Options border. Where's this new game button? We don't need it to say game twice. New game button. Options. Also on the border here. Game border. And change this one to options. Or maybe we want that to say settings. Maybe settings. Yeah, make it say settings. Settings. There we go. Cool. So that's all I have done. Learning Unreal. Started working on movement in the last month or so. Walk, run, slide, crouch, mantle, beam, walk, ledge grab, and more. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Well, I'm sure you'll get some more. Hell yeah. Beam walk. That sounds cool. Yeah, I've never built a beam walk system, so that seems like it would be cool. Like one that kind of automatically locks onto the beam and then you like go across it. See, what else do we need? Continue, load, new settings. We need more. Alright, I'm gonna do a pee break, and then I'll come back, and then we will continue. I'll be right back.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun on the bun.
Alright, I'm back. Learn, build, play. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the follow. Bender? Yeah, I love Futurama. I love Futurama. It's probably my favorite adult cartoon show. Hydrate? I shall, I shall. I appreciate the hydrate. So let's go ahead and do an engine restart. And we need to find a reference to a main menu. I feel like I'm forgetting some buttons that we need. You never seen Hellblade? Is that the... Oh, is it a movie? The Hellblade movies? That's, is that the... like the vampire dude? I might be wrong on that. The name sounds familiar, but I'm not 100% familiar with it. Now, can I post a link? Sure. I'll check it out. It sounds familiar. Oh, we got ads. Friggin' ads. While the ads are running, let me go find a reference real quick. Okay. So we got us a reference. We'll just grab this and pull it in here. Link here. Let's check it out. I don't know if I'll watch it on stream because it's probably copyrighted, but I'll turn my screen cap off and I'll take a look and turn the volume down. Oh, it's this. Okay. Okay, yeah, I've seen this. I'll just wait. Wait on the ads. Probably got hit with an ad, right? Yeah. I don't have ads? Oh, you got lucky. You got lucky. Okay. Yeah, I have seen this. I have seen this game. I just wasn't putting the name to the game. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen this. Yeah, I love these kinds of games. I haven't played it, but I've played some similar games. Yeah, I love these kinds of games. I do need to play this one at some point. It does look really good. Kind of reminds me of gives me the same vibes as have you played like the Plague Tale games? Kind of has the same kind of aesthetic as that, kinda. Not quite. But kinda. No? Oh man. You should check those games out. I have the second one. I haven't played the first one. But A Plague Tale Requiem, amazing game. Amazing game. I'll pull it up here. Where's it at? Where is it at? Plague Tale. Yeah, these games. Amazing. Amazing games. I have them on my backlog to play. You should definitely play them. I haven't played the first one, but I've heard it's really good. I've played the second one, and it's definitely really good. I like it a lot. Yeah, this game was great. This game was great. Yeah, I think it'd be cool to make a game like this. It's kind of like got a lot of stealth mechanics and stuff in it. I think it'd be really cool to make a game like that. Yeah. That's the vibe I'm going for. I love that vibe. I love that vibe. Pretty hard to get that kind of aesthetic going. It's got some crazy graphics going on, but Yeah, I love that vibe. Let's see, maps, main menu. Okay. So let's pull our widget up. Main menu. Game selection. So we might be able to get to the actual character creator by the end of the day. So what else do we need? We need settings. We'll add settings, critics, and quit game. You know, one of the main issues with Unreal Engine is keeping the project organized. Yeah, especially when you bring in like packs and stuff. Like, if you use a lot of packs, it just brings in all these damn folders. So I try to, like, the way I've been doing this project is I'm trying to keep all the stuff that I make just in the third person folder. So that way I can just look through all the stuff that I'm working on in here. Like the blueprints, animations, gear, input, maps, and sounds so far. Yeah, the packs, bringing in packs definitely makes it very unorganized, but it'll be high. Once you're in the project for a while though, you kind of get muscle memory learning your way around where the hell you should go looking for stuff. I load my packs into a temp project and migrate what I need over to a main project. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. It still gets messy. Yeah, it still probably makes new folders and stuff, right? Or you could probably just bring them all into one folder. Doing it that way, though. Yeah, it's hard to keep organized. It's hard to keep it from getting messy. So we'll do one called credits. Credits. Call this one credits.
Good news, everyone!
Learn to be able to play just selfie with the Prime. Hey, I appreciate the Prime. I appreciate the Prime. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Now you got the emotes. We don't have a lot of emotes, but we've got a handful. We've got a few in there. Credits. Then we'll make this say credits. And then all we need is a quit game. So duplicate. Quit size box. Quit order. Quit button. And quit text. We'll make this say quit. Just out of curiosity, what do they do for that? Yeah, they just do white. Yeah. That's for keeping me entertained during work and answering my questions. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah, the damn work. Hey, at least you're job's chill enough where you can hang out on Twitch. My last job, I worked at Walmart, so it was kind of hard to hang out on Twitch while working. There you go. I'm the boss, it's all good? Oh shit! Oh shit, you the boss? You the boss? Yeah, I've never been a boss anywhere. I don't know that I would like to do management. Seems stressful. Now we got all these buttons. We need to change the hovered. The hovered isn't rounded. We need to change the hovered for all of these. Hovered button. It is, that's why I watch Twitch. Yeah, I don't think I would like that. I mean, I'm sure the money's better, but... yeah, I don't know about all that. Corner radial will make 20. There we go. Probably need to do the same thing for pressed though, right? So let's, yeah. Pressed. There we go. It's okay, not as bad as you think. Do you get decent hours though? Because that's like when I was working at Walmart, a lot of the depending on what kind of manager you were, a lot of them were on salary, and I feel like salary is kind of a ripoff. When you have a good team around you, it's easy. Hell yeah, yeah, good team's always nice, but there's always at least like a few shitty ones, right? At least in my experience with most jobs, there's always at least a few that are absolute garbage. Always, yeah, always. But I can deal with them? Yeah. Yeah. Well, at least you're good at handling it. I feel like I would freak out being in that kind of position. Are you doing game dev full time? No, right now I'm just like not working because of some medical problems. So I was on a program to get a bunch of medical work done for free around where I live. But that is I've kind of run through all the doctors now, and they still haven't figured out what's wrong with me. So I do need to start looking for some work again. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna be going up to my old job and see about going back, because I need monies. I wish I could do game dev full time. I wish. So let's see how that looks. Yep, fixes the hovered and the pressed. Cool. And now does the on-clicked work if I just do it in here? Let's see. Wait, game? I'm doing my UI a little bit differently right now. Oh shit. Just gifted tier 1 subs? What? 10 tier 1 subs? Holy shit. I appreciate the gifted subs. Whoa. Holy shit. Damn. Hope this helps. It definitely helps. It definitely helps. I appreciate it though. Yeah, you don't gotta do that though. Oh, that kind just got a sub? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I appreciate it. Hey, now you got the emotes. Now you got the emotes. Hey, I appreciate it. Hype, hell yeah. Terry Taylor, yay. Welcome in. I'm guessing you just got gifted subs. Don't be a truck driver. You can multiply the shit people average by about 10. Just deal with 10 times the amount of bullshit. Yeah, I don't think I would like being a truck driver. You're welcome. I like to support fellow devs. Hey, well, that's very, very nice of you. I appreciate it. That's freaking awesome. Looks like that does work. Cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. See, I'm doing my UI a little bit differently than I've done it in the past right now. So used to, I would like kind of just put everything into one widget and do it that way. Right now, I'm kind of separating out a bunch of the widgets and then like putting them together. I've heard that's better practice. What did you do, mountains? I did this yesterday. Yeah, I made these mountains yesterday. Yeah, we're working on our main menu level, so we start from this little area, and then once we set new game and go to the character creator, we'll have another menu that pops up where you select the difficulty, and then once you select the difficulty, it'll come way down here, and then we'll build our character creator, our character, like right in here. Ah, nice? Hell yeah. Looks good. I appreciate it. Yeah, I've got a bunch of packs that help me with that. So for the mountains, I have this landscape brush tool that's pretty nice. Where's it at? Brushes, miscellaneous, alphas for sculpting. Yeah, a bunch of these alpha brushes. You can just go into your landscape tool, and I'll show you how it works. So if you go to sculpt, you have this little option right here to use alpha brush. If you click that, you can just throw in an alpha brush in here, and voila. Voila. Bam. Easy. Easy. Also, if you want, I'd be interested in scoring music for your game. I went to school for it. Never do, hold on. I've done a few games already. I do it for free also, but the catch is also, I have a busy schedule. Hey, that's completely up to you. If you would like to do that, I would gladly appreciate the help. And, yeah, there's no rush. I mean, like, this game, it's gonna take forever to build anyways, so yeah. But sure, I'll take whatever help I can get. That'd be freaking awesome. With an auto material, nice. Yeah, so the auto material just makes it even easier. We got the brush pack along with just the auto material that kind of does all the work for us. Super useful. Yeah. Those are two tools that I use to just make landscaping a lot easier. A hell of a lot easier. Saves a lot of time. I mean, it's kind of hard to get mountains like this just using the landscape tools that are, like, if you just try to sculpt in this kind of detail without an alpha brush, I think it'd be pretty hard. It'd be pretty challenging. Might change the snow material or texture. We could do that real quick, because right now I'm still just using the base texture. Let's go grab us a snow texture and change it. Probably won't look that different, but at least it won't be the base one that comes with the pack. So let's grab surfaces. I'm just gonna look for snow. I should have one downloaded. Yeah, this one. Let's grab this one. What does that say? I'm waiting for the new landscape stuff. Yeah, I'm probably gonna buy a new landscape material. So, the other day we did a bunch of testing because this one breaks in 5.3. So I did some testing and I kind of got it to work in 5.3. But then, like after I got it to work in 5.3, I backed up my project. I opened a copy of this project in 5.3, and then I did all the same stuff I did to the material that I did in the test project to make it work. And then it broke. Like it just yeah, it kept crashing and yeah. So I think I'm just gonna end up buying a new landscape material. I believe is what I'm gonna do. Okay, gotta prep for a meeting. Be back when done. Hey, well, I appreciate you hanging out. I appreciate the subs. I appreciate the follow. But yeah, I'll probably be off by the time you're done, but I'll be back on later. So typically the way I do streams is I'll do like a short stream, like 2-3 hours normally. And then I'll take a break for a little while, and then I come back and do another stream. Yeah, we'll definitely be back on later today, for sure. Okay, sounds good. I'll email you my work. Would that work? I don't have a website anymore since I stopped pursuing music professionally. Yeah, sure. Yeah, my email should be on the YouTube, I believe. If you just go to the channel, the info should be here somewhere, right? Is my email not on here? Oh, view email address. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, you just send it to me there. Okay, see you next time. Hey, I appreciate you hanging out. You have a good meeting. You have a good meeting. Okay, so let's change out this texture. Themes right here. No, I mean next generation terrain solution. Oh, is that the thing that they're planning on doing with where they're gonna be adding like some voxel type stuff? Because I've heard of something like that coming in, an update coming up. Let's move this guy over here. Okay. And throw that one in there. And then for roughness, we'll just throw that in there for now. We need to change that. For now, we'll do that. We'll change it out later. Or unpack it later, but I'm gonna have to redo all my other textures too when I unpack it. didn't ever even finish it. I like made it towards the end and never finished it. Days Gone though, I played that one probably like 4 or 5 times. I know I've played The Witcher mostly through like twice. Or The Witcher 3. I've only ever played Skyrim once. Yeah, it's rare that I play a game more than once. Blueprints, actually. We were trying to get this. I love the Spider-Man games. Yeah, Spider-Man is definitely fun as hell. I was definitely more into like playing games more than once when I was younger. Like I did that all the time when I was a kid. But since I've gotten older, I find it hard to do a second run of a game. But yeah, Spider-Man is fun. I think I played, what was it, Spider-Man 2 way back in the day? I think I played that one like a bunch. I'm a 30-year-old, don't judge me. Hey, I'm damn near 32. I turned 30 in August. So I can't judge nobody. No judgment here. Okay, let's take a look at that snow. Looks almost no different, but it's at least different. It is different. We got some grass up here. Maybe we make our character creator on top of the mountain. What if we just set the player right here and you make your character while they're standing on top of the mountain? Right? Like right here? Nah. Nah. Let's see. This whole making games is hard as hell? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? Hey, the Epic has released the monthly free stuff? Yeah, I already grabbed it. I grabbed it before I started the stream. But we can take a look at it. Look at what they got. Terry Taylor, I like that idea, do you? You think it would be cool? I was mostly joking, but it could be cool. It could be cool. The free stuff for the month. Let's take a look at it. Stats and achievement integration. Fantasy interior environment. I'll probably grab some stuff from this. Be useful. Replicated building system. An advanced CRTV VCR VHS effect. And stylized modular crystal mine. I'm mostly interested in this one right here. Yeah. I grabbed them all, but... yeah, I think this one's the one that I'll probably end up actually using. Like, making a game is hard as hell? Oh, hell yeah, it is. Yeah, making games is hard. Making games is stupidly hard. Yeah, I'll probably use this one. I like some of the stuff in this one. We can use this one in the game. Save me some time on modeling some things. Some things. And I don't look at this one. The stylized. Modular crystal mine. Oh, we got friggin' ads. Reminds me of Albion. Looks straight up like Albion. Like, yeah. Straight up Albion. Seems cool. And I really don't know what the hell this is. Stats and achievement integration. What the hell is this? Oh. Games played, games won, games lost. Total feet traveled, max feet traveled. 0 feet, average speed. Well, it could be cool to add some stats like that into the game. I won't use this pack. I'll just build it myself. But like keeping track of like distances you've gone, how much time has passed in the game. Yeah, things like that. Could be cool. Man, I totally agree on that too. We game devs have to think a lot and put logic to make things work. And when they don't, OMG, it's like hell. Yeah, it's pretty rough. It could be rough. It could be rough. And then sometimes you just throw your brain at something for like days straight and can't get it figured out. Sometimes. And then you're just like, damn it. It's rough. Only to use two because the ads. Yeah, the Twitch ads are crazy. Hey, maybe you got gifted a sub though. They gave out 10 gifted subs on the channel. Maybe you were one of them. The music stopped. Let's see. So we got... Oh, we need to build our landscape. Build grass. There we go. So we got continue, load, new, settings, credits, and quit. I think that's all we need. I had ads today. Well, they just gave the gifted subs like maybe 20 minutes ago. Like very recently. I'm not sure who all got them. It would give you a notification if you got them though. I'm pretty sure. So we set up our third person, blueprints, enums. Set up a difficulty enum. I think I'm just gonna do 3 different difficulties. Easy, medium, and hard. So I guess that's what we'll do when I hop back on, is we'll set up the blueprints, widgets, main menu. We can go ahead and make the widget. User widget. Difficulty selection _W. Difficulty selection widget. Yeah, just looked nothing. Ah, damn. 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 Well, damn. Alright. Well, I think we're good here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a break C. And then we'll come back and we'll make our difficulty selection widget and probably actually start getting into the character creator a little bit. Okay, email sent. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll check it out. I'll check it out right now when I hop off. I appreciate. Cool. Alright, so let me take a look real quick. Let's see. Um. Okay. Yeah, we'll just call it here. Okay. Sweet, yeah, that would be awesome. Looking forward to working with you. Yeah, that would be freaking awesome. Like, I'm also a musician, but like, I don't really, like, I'm not used to writing music for video games. I'm more used to, like, you know, like writing like metal type music and stuff like that. So yeah, it would definitely be friggin' awesome to have some sweet, unique music for the game. But hell yeah. All right, yeah, we're going to call it here. I'll be back on in a few hours. I'm going to take a break, eat some food and such. And